Dalawa na yung wala akong bibili pa ko. Yun naman yung
aking kalingawan. Okay.
Alfred, I promise I'll eat something else tomorrow.
Hindi mo nagamit yung ano mo? Speaker mo? Ginagamit yun sa likod kami, oh. Kami ni Fred. Tapos mga bata, speaker, nakatakanta. Huwag pa rin, ah. Kaya nga, may ano diyan, meron diyan ano talaga. Yung ito man, oh, sa hilod ko, buti ka mo, ganun ko kumay, uy, na-align siya. Diba sa persa?
Sana dito ako masakit, oh.
Kaya nga, yan siya. Alagaan ko talaga, hindi mahalo yan. Okay, yan, oh. Hindi kayo nag-date ni Mau?
Sorry, I'm seeing.
Ang pera ay kasi lagi mo sa email, ang pagsasin niya, hirap 500. Bawal naman ako. Nakarang araw din, 300. 100. Tapos may pera ko dyan si Khalid pang bukas. Hindi ko malingki. Okay, okay. Okay, oh, you know. Pinulan na. Yan na. Wala ka lakad mamaya. Wala ka ng alak doon sa inyo. Nakarep, wala na. Bilang bigay sa iyo.
isa na lang, last na lang.
Okay.
Minuto lang.
Yun.
Kung sa'yo ay kaya kaya
Wala lang yung bandaw. Kasi may kasi bandaw. May pag-sure dyan, no? Sabi ko yun. Okay.
There's one thing you can say about nature. If you make one lousy rule to describe it, it'll contradict you even if it has to bust its ass to do so. And so what? If anybody ever discovered the real laws of nature, nature would rear back and strike him dead before he could pass on the news.
Jesus Christ. He's there.
Maybe Abe knew. Maybe he just figured the whole world out and was about to tell me as I floated past
Okay.
But God caught wind of it, stuck out his invisible foot, tripped, and drowned him. If the fool only knew how to swim.
Easy, friend. Let's see if we can thaw you out.
Bibi.
Hi. Titus Irving Gerard, at your
Tatay
service.
na, wala tatay sa baba.
It's me, I. Simply Gus.
Yung tatay
Simply
Bibi, ha?
Gus, I don't think so. Anyone who knows the secrets to what catches you make today is not simply anything.
There's no secrets to those catches. The dry I caught on a wet fly, the corpse I caught on a soggy dry.
Yes, well, you've done old Abe's family some service by collecting his remains. And since we're all bodily destined for corpsehood and spiritually possessed of immortal souls, I see no reason to let the proximity of corpses ruin our day.
If you think we're all possessed by immortal souls, I'd sure like to see it.
Maybe you're looking in the wrong places.
Oh, Bibi.
Uy, nag-aaral na din.
Clear vision.
Ah.
Messed with it.
Hazel, punta mo naman ang simbahan.
Bibi, hindi yan. Kaya hindi naman nagamot, may pinamig, hindi na.
Bawal ka. Mag-up ka.
Bibi.
I-play ko nga, babe.
Doon sa likod.
A fisherman is dead. Everyone I know will one day be dead.
Agay.
What can I do about it?
Ano man palabasan pa?
Death is the most natural thing there
Title
is,
nga?
and we all have a knack for it. The only question is when we'll master it. It doesn't matter what we do
Wala, ano lang, story
or
lang.
what we don't do.
May ka ano. May ka sa mag-isda lang din sa suba-suba.
This is no passing thought.
Oo.
It's a gnawing emptiness more real than the cold.
Bibi, oh.
Paulit-ulit na hadyan sa imod kamot, mag number 1 and most media prescribed Allergan.
Ay. Yun, kahit ko na ko
Ay,
lang.
gusto ito.
Sakit ka na ba? Hindi ko na ko lang.
Severe strategies. Generally alcohol. I see where the culprit is.
This is bullshit.
One time I gave a rabbit skeleton and I had hang in my closet. Wala yan.
That's a nice trophy.
Yep. Had to get a new one.
Ever helps you sleep, Bill Bob.
Does he?
Bill Bob?
Thought I might make feel better. Explain it, call it gardening.
You mean guardian angel?
No. See, you think you're alone,
Alright.
but you're not. Got a gardening. That's your twin.
Aja, smart man, taga hidup saya. siyang kita sa isang araw. Napaint na lang ako sa ano. Kawawa. May anak siya, may pamilya. Nagpipis ulang ulang.
Nagmadali kasi yun nung ano, nakaraan.
Lan?
Nagmadali.
O tapos?
Guarding.
Dapat yung galing kami sa ano, sa Pangasinan Ordineta. At
Gardeners
dapat
cover the ground.
punta pa kami dito
They
kay
chirp.
Kuya Louie.
When they first
Nagmadali
come out
naman
of
siya,
the
sabi niya kasi
ground,
papasok na siya ng linggo.
they're very
Eh
old
wala rin naman pala.
or sick. And the longer the angels live there, the younger and smaller they grow, and happier and friendlier they get.
Para dyan,
When they get little,
Huwag
they
pag-ibig pa
step
rin.
out of the
Hindi yan,
garden
oo.
and
Yan.
they tour.
Para dyan yan.
And we trade places.
Huwag tanggalin.
What?
We trade places with our twin. We go there, and our
Yan,
twin
para
comes
dyan
here.
yan.
We journey up and up through a long black path, till we reach the garden angel grounds. Spread up like carrots.
Pero kapag ginagawa mo siya, hindi na siya masakit.
Hindi na. Kailang, ano na siya, iba talaga parang may naipit. Butik dito kanina, napatunog mo. Ganun siya. Pero ang umaga niya, yan, sige lang, baka matanggal na yan. Sa sunod naman, sa sunod, ang ito naman. Agay.
Ika na mo gani.
Bawal yan. Masakit na rin.
Sinagad ka.
Sorry. Don't get scared. I'm just a marvelous mister. I just came here to go swimming. What? No.
Okay.
Go out. Bye.
Hey, you're right there. Kinalaban mo ako magiging
Yeah.
Are you hurt?
No.
Can you get down?
No.
Why not?
Priscilla! Nakita ko, Priscilla.
That's all you got from me. Good luck.
Itay ka.
Don't go.
Sila.
Why not?
Okay.
No life, it's God. No life so happy and so pleasant as the life of a well-governed angler. So we may say that God never did make a more calm, quiet, innocent recreation than angling.
Priscilla.
I was supposed he did.
And now I think it's time for you to repair to your angle rod, which should not be left in the water to fish for itself.
Oh yeah, is that what we've been doing, huh? Funny, cause I thought I was trying to catch me a steelhead. You? What are you doing here?
I am a fisherman, but I only came here to swim.
You're a fisherman. Where's your gear?
My gear's at home on the time and hours. But let us say grace and fall to breakfast. What say you, scholar?
You can say grace all you want, just don't fall to breakfast, please.
Ano yung bulad?
Why not?
Naluto nyo? Prito pa lang. Tapos, inakain na.
Di ba? Mamaya.
Sisig Watley. I mean, Zysik
Okay.
Watley. Yes.
May pera.
And what is your
Ay, kaya
Call me Gus. What's your name?
Ang bibi.
mo sa paring.
Eddie? Just Eddie. Nice to meet you.
Eddie, like the swimmers in the river. Wow.
I wish.
Pangit ang aking...
Eddie like my dad Edwin.
You got a bite.
Hey guys, where are you from?
Hello.
What's your country?
Ako dyan. Uy, rematch! Rematch ka ba? Laban kayo ulit sila. Laban kayo ulit. Ray, laban kayo ulit. 1v1. Ako dyan. Contract na. Ako na. Ipit. Ako na, marunong na. Uy. Marunong na ako sa... Nasaan ka? Uy, Miloy. Ako dyan. Ako na. Mag-action.